Dents can significantly impact a vehicle's appearance and value, often caused by parking lot accidents, shopping carts, or minor collisions. Houston offers numerous skilled dent repair services to restore vehicles efficiently. Types of car dents and repair methods. Small dents, often from hail or doctor impacts, best fixed using Paintless Dent Repair, PDER. Creased dents, deeper dents requiring more extensive repair. Significant dents result from major impacts, often need traditional bodywork. Hail damage, common in Houston, usually treated with PDR. Accident dents can vary in severity, requiring a mix of PDR and traditional repairs. Paintless Dent Repair, PDR, a cost-effective solution. PDR is a preferred method for minor dents as it preserves the original paint, is affordable, quick, and eco-friendly. Many Houston experts specialize in this efficient repair method. Traditional dent repair when PDR isn't enough. For deeper dents, conventional repairs involve panel removal, body filler, sanding, repainting, and polishing. Though more costly and time-consuming, this method restores the vehicle completely. Finding reliable dent repair in Houston. Choose experienced technicians with positive reviews. Get multiple quotes to compare costs. Verify insurance coverage and service warranties. Why choose professionals? Expert repairs ensure high-quality results, specialized tools, and preserved resale value. Houston's top repair shops provide PDR and traditional methods to keep vehicles in top shape. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 83227543774. That's 83227543774. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.